InnerFlo reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you came across the app InnerFlo promising personalized sound therapy, improved sleep and productivity and thought that you might want to pause, because most people get this wrong, the price tag isn't the only cost and the value depends heavily on usage and transparency. Here's what the service claims. InnerFlo uses binaural beats, tailored sound therapy sessions and focus tracking features. Reviews are fairly mixed. Some praise its calming effect and value for stress relief. Others warn the subscription model is confusing or premium cost is higher than expected. Site a Yahoo Finance article also notes the company is expanding beyond stress relief into broader wellness. Site what you get for your money: access to guided audio sessions, tracks for relaxation, focus, sleep. A subscription model, not just one-time cost, meaning ongoing access if you continue. What you give up: the cost accumulates. Subscription fees, possible in-app purchases. You need to use it regularly to get value. If you sign up and rarely use the sessions, the cost per use is high. Some users say cancellation is tricky or renewal charges come unexpectedly. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check the subscription plan in your country: monthly versus annual, upfront cost and renewal terms. Step 2. Estimate how many sessions you'll use per month. If you'll use 20-30 times, cost per session is low. If only 1-2 times, cost may not justify. Step 3. Review cancellation policy and trial offers. Ensure you can opt out easily. Step 4. Compare with free or lower cost alternatives. There are many apps offering similar tracks for less or one-time purchase. You won't believe what happens next if you skip the usage calculation. You sign up for 9 a month, use it twice, and the cost per use ends up being 4. Not great value. The surprising truth: subscription services only deliver value if you commit to using them. In conclusion, if you're committed to using sound therapy regularly and like guided apps, InnerFlo can be worth the money. If you're just curious or expect a quick fix, the cost may outweigh the benefit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more wellness tech pricing explained and what you're really paying for.